In this video I will share the tools we will use. Some are free and some are paid one, but if you can use the free one with the watermark, then you can basically remove the watermark by scaling the video, but it will destroy the quality a little bit, but still it is good. So we will make it as simple as possible to use. Like everyone with a little bit knowledge of maybe computer can make their own avatar or make avatar for their customers. The first tool we will use is the ChatGPT. We will ask ChatGPT about our prompt, how to enhance the prompt. We will get a series of prompts with ChatGPT, and after that we will use the tool With Artflow we will create the avatar. Like it is with the free version you can create only one avatar, and with the paid version you can create multiple one. After creating the avatar with Artflow, we will use the Kling AI. With Kling AI we will convert our videos into with camera movements, and with you can say every possible effect we can add as per our requirement. So we will convert that image into the videos with some small clips like 5 seconds, 10 seconds as per our script. And then we will write the prompt here, like this one I wrote for this video. Like you can use your own voice, or you can use the voices from the library. You can just generate the speed, and as per your speed convert your videos, and that's it. And in last we will use the CapCut. CapCut is basically to stitch the video, to add the effects, the sound, the background music, and then export in different formats and different resolutions. And that's it. We will use all of these tools. Maybe we will use one tool to if we are using Artflow for free, then we will use another tool, which is Pixel Bin, which is basically to upscale the images with the best quality. And these are all tools we will use. Thank you so much.